Hey kids, welcome to Kids Learning. Today we learn about bird's name. Let's see. Crow. It's a crow. Pigeon. It's a pigeon. Parrot. It's a parrot. Eagle. It's an eagle. Dove. It's a dove. Owl. It's an owl. Peacock. It's a peacock. Woodpecker. It's a woodpecker. Sandpiper. It's a sandpiper. Swan. It's a swan. Penguin. It's a penguin. Hen. It's a hen. Kiwi. It's a kiwi. Duck. It's a duck. Goldfinch. It's a goldfinch. Stork. It's a stork. Thanks for watching. We hope you like this video. If you like, then subscribe and click the bell icon. Bye kids.